Hey Harmony,
Oh, hi Miss Maria.
why do you have rocks and twigs over here?
Well, these rocks and twigs are for our next arts and craft project.
And what's that?
Well, that arts and craft project is called Creatures from Nature.
Wow, creatures from nature. We could do a lot of things with this.
Yeah, actually this is to make our own creature and our own design. And we can do anything we want and use anything from nature.
Oh, that's a cool idea. Let's begin.
Alright?
These are the things that we're going to use to make the creature from nature. I've collected some rocks from the garden, twigs. These are shells from the beach, some pine cones, googly eyes to add the eyes for the monster, and then the glue. Now the glue depends on how heavy the object is that you're sticking. If you are going to stick the rock, ideally you should use Yoo-hoo or glue gun. Now if you are using the glue gun, please ask an adult to help you. Let's begin. We're going to start with the base. Now you can use either an old tile for the base or a cardboard. I'm going to use an old tile. Next, we're going to start with anything that we wish we want to start with.
And there you go. Our creature from nature is done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. But before we go, Miss Maria, what's the name of your creature?
Mine's called the creature that never sleeps. How about yours?
Well, my creature is called Fluffy.
Wow, okay.